Welcome back to Kitchen Delights. How about making your own chicken stock to bring your home cooking up another level? This is what you'll need. 2 pounds of chicken bones, 2 to 3 liters of water, 4 ounces of chopped onions, 2 ounces of chopped carrots, 2 ounces of chopped celery, 2 garlic cloves, 1 bay leaf, a pinch of dry thyme, 2 peppercorns, and 4 parsley stems. Step 1. Put all the ingredients listed in a pot. Make sure that the bones are below the water level. Step 2. Bring to a boil, skim the surface, and reduce the heat to a simmer. Step 3. Simmer for 3 to 4 hours, adding water and skimming as needed. The bones will separate from the cartilage and meat easily when the stock is ready. Step 4. Pass the stock through a sieve, let cool, and divide into plastic containers. The chicken stock will keep refrigerated for 4 days or frozen for 3 months. Chicken stock is a great base to enhance the flavor of many entrees. I've used this chicken stock recipe especially when making paella. Thank you for watching Kitchen Delights.